Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. This is the Hubs, YBL. He is here to help me do a little DIY friends and family edition. So what you're gonna need is some cotton rounds, and these I have here. I've already taken and loosened them a little bit to get the texture out of them. And then we are gonna use a little bit of tissues. I have a few tissues here. And then we have some liquid latex. This right here I got off Amazon. And then face and body paints. Right here I have natural and then the basic collection. Also we have some spray blood and some regular blood. So I'm going to use kind of a combination of those along with my makeup brushes, a bunch of them. These are crafting brushes. You can get at any crafting store. Also, I am using some cards. So you can cut them how you want. I will show you how to apply them, throw them around if you want. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. So I'm gonna take this 3-ply tissue and peel apart the layers so that it's as thin as possible and as skin-like as possible. I'm gonna take some of my liquid latex in a little cup and pour some in there. Take a little bit of liquid latex in the spot I'm going to lay my first card and paint that on there, kind of thick. And then I'm going to take a piece of already cut tissue into the length and fold that over and lay that down right over that liquid latex. Layer of liquid latex over that and really saturate that piece. Okay, now I'm gonna take the card that I'm gonna adhere and apply that right into the middle of the tissue and the liquid latex. Then I'm gonna take a little bit more and kind of seal the corners of that. And then YBL here is gonna hold this and let it dry. Okay, so now that I've laid another one, I'm gonna place the card right there. Okay, now that he's holding it, I'm gonna take some more liquid latex and lay it all around that card. And then we're gonna dry it again. It's magic. So now I'm taking little bits of tissue for around his mouth, and I'm going to add those to the sides of the card. Okay, so now I'm going to lay my last card. I'm going to take a little bit of liquid latex, the length of my card. And lay that down. Have him hold that. Then I'm going to take more of my tissue. Now I'm going to use my basic palette and my natural skin tone, and I'm going to color in all of the liquid latex. Here's my mix. Last step, time for the blood. I'm going to start with a little bit of spray blood. This is like a really, really bright blood. And I'm just going to start laying it. See? Blood. Now some more blood, just to make sure everything's really nasty.